How to sell AI algorithms to companies and developers. Artificial intelligence is reshaping industries across the globe, opening unprecedented opportunities for developers and businesses alike. However, while creating an AI algorithm is an exciting technical achievement, transitioning it from a working model to a marketable product can be a major hurdle. How do you convince businesses of its value? What do developers look for? How do you earn the trust of decision makers? In this video, we'll break down the process of successfully selling AI algorithms to companies and developers. We'll cover identifying real-world value, product packaging, audience targeting, and establishing credibility to help you bridge the gap between innovation and application. Let's start by addressing the elephant in the room. Why is selling AI more challenging than selling ordinary software? A primary reason is that AI algorithms focus on solving complex problems, which means their outcomes aren't always immediately tangible. Unlike traditional tools, AI often requires companies to modify their workflows, data pipelines, or business processes for full adoption. For developers, AI solutions may need significant customization, testing, or integration work. These challenges require a dual approach. You must not only articulate the benefits of your algorithm, but also provide a seamless experience for implementation. Businesses and developers want more than technical innovation. They want practical solutions. The foundation of successfully selling an AI algorithm lies in answering one simple yet crucial question. What problem does it solve? Your audience, whether they are business leaders or software developers, is primarily interested in solutions to their pain points. They don't necessarily care about the technical brilliance of the model or underlying code. Instead, they want to know how your algorithm makes their job easier, faster, or more efficient. To identify the value of your AI algorithm, follow these steps. Understand your target industries. Research industries where your AI's functionality could make the most impact. For example, an algorithm that detects anomalies is useful in sectors like cybersecurity, finance, and healthcare. Articulate use cases. Clearly, frame your algorithm's applications in terms of actionable results. For instance, rather than saying, "Our algorithm improves image recognition," say, "Our solution allows medical professionals to quickly and accurately detect tumors in X-rays, saving crucial time." Quantify benefits whenever possible. Businesses value measurable outcomes. If your AI reduces costs or saves time by a specific percentage, make that a key talking point. Once you know what your algorithm solves, you need to know who it's solving it for. Selling successfully means tailoring your approach to fit your audience. Broadly, you'll encounter two primary segments: enterprise companies and developers. For enterprise companies, research their industry, specific needs, and pain points. Companies often prioritize scalability, security, and a clear return on investment, ROI. If you're targeting a logistics firm, for instance, explain how your AI could improve delivery times, optimize routes, or reduce operational costs. For developers, the considerations are more technical. Developers often look for tools that enhance productivity, offer customizability, and integrate seamlessly with their existing workflow. Trust is a big factor here, so being transparent about the technical details of your solution will appeal to this audience. Additionally, research your competitors offering similar AI models. Analyze their pricing, positioning, and features. This information will help you refine your sales pitch and differentiate your product in a crowded market. Even if your algorithm solves a significant problem, it won't sell unless it's presented in a way that's easy to adopt. Technical innovation alone doesn't make a product. Presentation and practicality matter just as much. Here are key strategies for packaging your AI algorithm effectively. Offer plug-and-play solutions. Whenever possible, make your AI easy to integrate with minimal setup time. Providing clear APIs, application programming interfaces, can simplify adoption for both developers and enterprises. Consider SaaS platforms. Packaging your AI as software as a service, SaaS, can increase accessibility. This method offers businesses a scalable subscription model and eliminates the need for costly on-premises installations. Provide comprehensive documentation. Detailed documentation is especially crucial for developers. It should explain how to implement, customize, and troubleshoot your algorithm. Offering demos, tutorials, or sandbox environments where users can test the AI further boosts accessibility. By reducing friction in adoption, you make your AI more appealing to both developers and companies. The easier it is for them to see results, the more likely they'll purchase. Developers are a unique audience with specific expectations. They deeply value flexibility, transparency, and reliability in the tools they use. Here's how you can address their needs effectively. Customizability matters. Developers often need tools that can fit into their specific workflows. Make sure your AI model can be easily customized or configured. For instance, allowing developers to adjust performance thresholds or retrain the model on their data adds tremendous value. Offer a freemium or open source component. A freemium model where developers can try a basic version of your AI, or offering some components open source, can help build trust and encourage wider adoption. Stay developer-friendly. Demos, how-to videos, and example code give developers confidence in your technology. Active technical support, such as a dedicated developer forum, can also go a long way. By building for developers, you create advocates who will recommend and implement your AI in enterprise settings. When selling to companies, especially large enterprises, the considerations revolve around business priorities rather than technical details. Here's how to capture their attention. Focus on scalability and ROI. Companies need to know that your AI can grow with their needs. Show how your algorithm scales across large datasets or diverse use cases. Also, be ready to quantify ROI. For example, our algorithm reduced operational expenses by 20% for a pilot customer. Highlight integration options. Most businesses are cautious about how new tools will fit into their existing technology stack. If your AI works seamlessly with databases, CRMs, or other commonly used software, make it clear in your pitch. Be ready to handle data sensitivity. Businesses often deal with sensitive data, so your solution should align with their privacy and security needs. Address concerns up front and provide assurances, such as encryption or compliance with regulations like GDPR or HIPAA. A business pitch should always underscore the bottom-line benefits, whether it's time saved, cost reduced, or revenue generated. Trust is one of the most critical barriers in selling AI algorithms. Businesses need to feel confident that your algorithm is reliable, compliant, and aligns with ethical standards. Here are strategies to build trust. Be transparent about limitations. No algorithm is perfect. Clearly outline what your AI can and cannot do, and avoid over-promising results. Transparency indicates integrity. Demonstrate proven performance. Use metrics like accuracy rates, latency, or past success stories to back up your claims. Case studies or testimonials from existing customers can be powerful tools in building credibility. Certify compliance. Assure your audience that your AI adheres to relevant privacy standards or industry regulations. For example, claim GDPR compliance if you're working with user data in Europe. Involve third-party validation. Partnering with respected organizations for validation or audits can add another layer of trustworthiness. Strong credibility, combined with outstanding performance, minimizes hesitation from buyers and developers alike. To tie everything together, your pitch needs to resonate with your target audience. Whether you're speaking to a room full of executives or demonstrating your product to developers, your approach should be tailored, clear, and benefit-focused. Use storytelling. Break down technical ideas into relatable examples. For instance, explain how a retail company used your algorithm to predict customer behavior more accurately, increasing sales. Stories are memorable and help land your message. Focus on benefits. not just features. Instead of diving straight into technical details, highlight how the algorithm impacts users. For example, rather than saying, "Our model has an 85% accuracy rate," focus on the benefit. "We help reduce your customer churn by predicting dissatisfaction early." Tailor for your audience. Developers may care about customization, while executives may care only about business outcomes. Adjust your pitch accordingly. Finally, don't overwhelm with unnecessary details. Highlight what matters, then invite follow-up questions to dive deeper. Even with a great algorithm and pitch, success depends on how well you market your product. Here are some ways to promote your AI effectively. Leverage the right channels. Platforms like developer forums, e.g. Stack Overflow, GitHub, or tech blogs, can help you engage with the developer audience. For enterprise sales, networking events and industry trade shows are powerful opportunities. Create content marketing. Develop tutorials, case studies, white papers, and videos that showcase the value of your algorithm. This not only demonstrates authority, but also helps educate potential customers. Invest in partnerships. Teaming up with established software providers can give your product more visibility and credibility. Partnerships can also provide indirect sales opportunities by bundling your AI within larger solutions. Transitioning from AI development to selling algorithms may seem daunting, but by focusing on clarity, accessibility, and trust, you can turn your innovation into a viable product that customers and developers want to use. Selling AI isn't just about having a great algorithm, it's about packaging it in a way that aligns with real-world needs. Whether you're a developer or a growing startup, we hope this video has provided practical insights and strategies to help you succeed in connecting your products with the right audience. Subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.